Hello everyone, this is Pinky Yadav, English teacher at Suraj School, Mahendragarh. So dear students, today we will discuss chapter number 5th, the handed dresses first. Handed dresses first. It is written by E.L. Basar Ister. E.L. Basar Ister. In this chapter, you know there are some important characters. First of all, Wanda Petronsky. Wanda Petronsky. Peggy and Maddie. These are very important character in this lesson. And Miss Mason. Miss Mason. Wanda Petronsky is a Polish girl. She belongs to Poland. That's why she is called Polish girl, and now she is living at America and reads in American school with the American girls. American town में रहती है, American town, and she reads in the same school where American students studying there. Wanda Petronsky, and she has long name. According to American students, she has funny name. She has long name. It is not easy to say. It is hard to say according to American students. And Peggy and Maddie, these two girls, they belong to America, and they are American girls. And in the class, they are classmate of Wanda Petronsky, and Wanda Petronsky Wanda Petronsky lives at Bogensahit. She lives at Bogensahit. Bogensahit is a place or is an area where mostly poor people live there. This area is called Bogensahit. It is on a hill. And here all the poor people live there. And Wanda Petronsky also belongs to a poor family. That's why she lives there with her family. And she goes to school on foot. And when she goes to school, then her feet are covered with dry dust and mud also. And she wanted to hide her muddy feet. That's why she sits in the room number 13. Where does she sit? She sits at the last second bench. In last row. In room number 13. She sits there in room number 13 in last row and last second bench there. She sits there because she wants to hide her muddy feet. And she is very silent girl. She never speaks anybody. She does not speak to anybody. She does not open her lips. Whenever she opens her lips, then when she has to give answer of these girls. These are the girls. Peggy is very popular girl, and she belongs to rich family. And Maddie is her closest friend, his best friend. And she always remains with her. She is not as popular or as rich as Peggy is, but Maddie is poor girl. She also belongs to poor family as Wanda Petronsky belongs. But she also wears hand-me-down clothes. Let me write hand-me-down clothes. Hand-me-down means worn out clothes, old clothes, छोटे हुए कपड़े. Maddie always wears hand-me-down clothes of Peggy. And Wanda Petronsky is the girl who wears blue faded dress. Always she wears blue faded dress. She always wear a blue faded dress. That's why these girls make fun of Wanda Petronsky. These girls make fun of Wanda Petronsky that how many dresses she has, and she always gives answer. To give this answer, to give the answer of this question, she opens her lips. Otherwise, she remains silent every time. Every time. And Peggy started the game to ask the question. She always asks the question, what did you say? How many dresses you have? How many dresses you have in your closet? She always gives answer. She has 100 dresses. She has 100 dresses, all are lined up in her closet. She never says that she has 100 dresses to wear. She always gives answer. She always says that she has 100 dresses in her closet, but never says that she has 100 dresses to wear. And when Peggy asks question, what did you say? How many pair of shoes you have? She says that she has 60 pairs. All are different. All are lined up in her closet. And she says she has 100 dresses. All are different dresses, different types, different colors, and they are of silk and velvet too. So whenever she opens her lips, then she gives an answer of Peggy. Peggy started the game to ask such question, and Peggy makes fun of Wanda Petronsky, and Wanda Petronsky is teased by these girls. So due to their torture, and she decide to leave that place. And she leaves that place because here all the American students, they think that she has a funny name and long name. That's why it's not easy for American students to speak, and they have short name. And now Wanda decide to leave the place. But when she was absent on Monday, she was absent. Monday, Tuesday, she was absent. Nobody noticed her absence. But on Wednesday, her absence was noticed by Peggy and Maddie. When Peggy and Maddie they were coming to school, and on the way of school they waited for Wanda because they wanted to make fun of Wanda. That's why they waited for Wanda. They always try to make fun of Wanda before starting the school and after the school hours, and during the lunch time also. They talk to Wanda Petronsky. Peggy did not think that Wanda Petronsky understand her game. And she understood. That's why she decided to leave the place. But before leaving the place, there was a contest in their class, room number 13. And Miss Mason is the teacher of room number 13. There was a contest in which girls had to draw the design of dresses, and boys had to draw the design of motorboats. And according to every student, Peggy would be the winner. They thought that Peggy would be winner. But it was opposite. The result was opposite. Wanda Petronsky was the winner for girls medal, and Jack Bagels was the winners for the boys medals. And till then she had left the place, and her father sent a letter to Miss Mason that her daughter and son will not come to school anymore, right? And Wanda Petronsky was the winner of that game, that contest. It means everybody has talent. Doesn't matter how that person is looking like. And this lesson shows us, or what to tell us, that how we judge a person by its body language, by its dressing, or by its knowledge, right? So this is all.